Before you download Chime, here are 12 things you need to know to make sure it's the right finance app for you. Chime offers a range of features that aim to simplify your financial life. But is it really better than its competitors like PayPal, Venmo, or Cash App? Let's find out. First, Chime is a mobile-first bank that offers no-fee checking and savings accounts. While most traditional banks charge monthly fees or require a minimum balance, Chime doesn't. This makes it a strong contender for those looking for a straightforward, fee-free option. Next thing, Chime doesn't offer a physical bank branch, which could be a downside for some users who prefer in-person support. But with 24/7 customer service and the ability to manage your account entirely through the app, this isn't a major issue for many users. The third thing to consider is Chime's early direct deposit feature. If you set up direct deposit with your employer, you can get paid up to 2 days earlier than with a traditional bank. This is an appealing feature, especially if you rely on paycheck deposits. Now let's talk about Chime's mobile app. It's user-friendly and well-rated, allowing you to check balances, track spending, and transfer funds easily. But compared to competitors like PayPal, which offers more robust features, some might find Chime's app a bit too basic. The fifth thing is the Chime Credit Builder Card. This is a secured credit card with no fees, designed to help you build credit. While this can be helpful if you're trying to improve your credit score, it's not as flexible as other credit building options, like a traditional credit card. Next thing, Chime offers a savings account with automatic roundups on purchases. It's a great way to save without even thinking about it. However, while it's a nice feature, competitors like Cash App also offer similar savings tools. The seventh thing is Chime's ATM network. They've partnered with over 24,000 ATMs across the country, so you're likely to find one near you. But keep in mind that using ATMs outside of the network comes with a fee, unlike some other apps that reimburse ATM fees. The eighth thing is Chime's lack of check writing capabilities. If you're someone who needs to write checks often, this might not be the best option for you. Chime doesn't offer this service, unlike traditional banks or even some competitors like PayPal. The ninth thing to know is that Chime has no hidden fees. This includes no maintenance fees, no overdraft fees, and no bounce check fees. If you're looking to avoid surprise charges, Chime is a strong choice compared to banks that hit you with fees for everything. Next, Chime offers instant transaction notifications, which is helpful for keeping track of your spending in real time. While this feature is available with some competitors, like Venmo, Chime's app is clean and intuitive, making it easy to keep an eye on your account. The 11th thing is the Chime referral program. You can earn a bonus when you refer a friend to the service. But while referral bonuses are nice, they're not as lucrative as some offers from other apps like PayPal. Lastly, Chime is a good option for those who prefer a simple, no-fee banking experience. It's fast, reliable, and secure, but it might not be right for everyone. If you're looking for more advanced features, like investing tools or advanced cash management, there might be other apps that fit your needs better. While Chime offers a great mobile banking experience, if you're looking for a more feature-rich option with additional services like investment tools or better international support, you might want to check out our recommended solution. It's free to try, and you could find that it fits your needs even better than Chime.